Add or subtract the integers on the right, then drag the correct answer to each problem. Now this problem is going to emphasize what to do with double signs. So I'm going to do that the first step all the way down through, and then we'll work out each problem from there. So -4 plus -10, you have a plus and a negative combined together, that makes a negative. So really, this is the same thing as -4 minus 10, like that. Now look at this next one, -4 minus -10, minus negative makes positive, so it's really the same thing as -4 plus 10. Right here, 4 plus -10, you have a plus-minus situation, which is minus 4 minus 10. And here you have 4 minus -10, that's the same as 4 plus 10, so it would be 4 plus 10. Okay, now why is it that a plus-minus ends up being a negative? Well, think of a number line. When you're going positive, you're moving to the right, and negative, you're moving to the left. So when you're -4 plus a -10, you're really adding a -10 or subtracting. So you're moving to the left. When you have minus and negative, that's kind of canceling each other out because you're taking away something from the left, which means you're adding to the right. And it's kind of a weird idea. Okay, so let's figure these out. -4 minus 10, and you can use whatever representation you want. I'm just going to work through the numbers. You can use a number line, or you can use those positive negative chips if you want also. So I'm going to take out the negative, and it's going to be 4 plus 10. So it's just going to be negative of 14, and you don't need the parentheses, so you just get equal to -14 is your answer there. So that matches like that. -4 plus 10. I want the number with the greater magnitude first, so I'm going to switch the order. It's going to be 10 and then -4. Oh, look how easy that is now. That's just going to be equal to 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. Next one, 4 minus 10. I want the number with the greater magnitude first, so I'm going to switch -10 plus 4. And then I'm going to take out the negative sign here because it's a negative number first. Negative of then 10 minus 4. You take the negative from the 10 and also from the plus 4. So the negative of 10 minus 4 is the same thing as the negative of 6. So I'm going to write that over here, negative of 6. And you don't need the parentheses anymore, so your answer is just -6. So we'll drag that one there. And then 4 plus 10, that's just 14. And that works out great because that's the only remaining answer left. Okay, so once again, the purpose of these problems was to emphasize how to handle double signs when you're adding or subtracting. And you can use number lines, you can use chips, you can just work with the numbers like I did, whatever way you want, but you should get these answers.